This is Foronda here from OptiSurface, and I'm going to show you how you can design the rice levees with your file. So you can see here in the right side, you can import the topography. You just have to select your file type, say AgEarth, and then navigate to the file location and then open that up and select the units you're using, meters. And yeah, so that will load the existing topography and the satellite image. So you can adjust the colors here by going to topography and then adjust the legend here. Let's say your interval is 0.06 and minimum is 49.6. Yeah, that's better. And then firstly, you'll want to smooth the contours. So we have to run a landform design. We want to smooth the contours so the rice levees are smooth. So let's go to design landform. Set this surface type to 4-way. Maybe a grid spacing of 5 and take this on and use 100 and calculate that. That will calculate for maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Okay, so yeah, we have smoothed out the contours comparing this to the existing, and this is the proposed. And yeah, we have minimal cut fill here. And now to work on the rice levee, go to design and then design rice levees. So you can select the grid spacing, let's say 5. The highest elevation would be, I guess, this one, and the lowest elevation would be, I guess, this. And then you can hit calculate. So just wait for it to finish the calculation. Let's try that again. Design rice levees. Vertical interval is 0.03, I believe. 3 centimeters you wanted. So yeah, we missed that. So calculate. There we go. So it's a little bit more wiggly. What you can do is to smooth that out, go to design and then smooth the break lines. So you can play around with this, and I found maybe say 3 degrees maximum turn angle would smoothen this significantly. So let's try that. Yeah, that looks good. So yeah, that's how you can do rice levee designs in AgEarth. Hope that helps. Thanks.